In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to a marketing email in HubSpot. Whether you're sharing a detailed product demo or a simple promotional banner, including the right file in your marketing email can make all the difference. Now let's dive in and make sure you're all set to add files like a pro. First things first, you'll need to start by logging into your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, you can sign up quickly on their website. Once you're in, hover over the Marketing tab in the main menu. From there, select Email to take you to your email dashboard. This is your central hub for crafting and managing all your email communications. After opening the email section, you'll want to either create a new marketing email or open an existing draft. This part of the process gives you a blank canvas to express your marketing vision. To add a file, such as an image or a video, click on the plus Add button situated in the email editor's toolbar. A drop-down will appear, allowing you to select image or video depending on what you're aiming to add to your email. This option is crucial in making your email visually engaging and informative. Now, it's time to upload your desired file. By clicking on Upload Files, you'll be prompted to choose a file directly from your computer. Make sure that your file is readily accessible before you begin, as this step is much smoother when you're organized. A quick tip here. Ensure that your file size is optimized for email to prevent loading issues for your recipients. Once your file is uploaded, you might want to double-check the specifics of the file, such as its metadata or other properties. Hover over the uploaded file and select Details. This action brings up important information about your file, enabling you to confirm that everything is in order before you proceed with finalizing your email. Now comes the part where you put everything together. Complete composing the rest of your email, ensuring that your message aligns well with the file you've added. Remember to preview your email to see how it looks, make any necessary adjustments, and ensure all links are working as intended. Once you're satisfied with your email, it's time to send it out to your recipients. Whether they're eager customers waiting for a product update or leads nurturing for a potential sale, rest assured your email will go out complete with your selected file. And there you have it. You've successfully added a file to your marketing email in HubSpot. With this skill mastered, you're well equipped to enhance your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.